Camila Cabello shines in Y2K inspired metallic charm sandal heels at CXOXO album release party in London. Her accessories completed the Kelly Outs aesthetics. Camila Cabello kicked off her fourth solo album CXOXO released party held at the Box in London on Tuesday. The album was released on June 28 through Giffen and Interscope Records. For the special day, the singer styled a pair of metallic silver sandals in a Y2K style, although they were eclipsed by the hem of her trousers. The star's footwear featured silver straps, buckle closures, rounded toes, and hat and ball-shaped charms fixed to the strap. The style can be likened to Cherilyn heels by Cap Robin. It is likely the sandal style also included steel-toe heels in a walkable 2 to 3 inch height. Metallic styles have become increasingly popular as of late, seen on stars like Lupita Nyong'o, Eva Longoria, Gayle King, Venus Williams, Carrie Underwood, and Tiana Taylor, among others. Sandal heels are coming back into wardrobes as the summer kicks into full swing. The silhouette is perfect for hot days given that the minimal construction allows the wearer's feet to breathe. Similar styles to Camila Cabello's can be purchased from brands like Amina Muaddi, Prada, Aquazzora, Alaya, Botica Veneta, and the Attico. In a casual move, the Worth It singer wore a acid wash baggy denim accompanied by a structural black corset top fitted with matching black button closures on the accessories front. Camila Cabello wore 72,000 black Mio Mio inspired Dan glasses and a black quilted shoulders bag fixed with a silver chain adornments with the realm of her new album. Camila Cabello has shifted her personal style to incorporate more alternative inspired Y2K looks. The Cuban-born star can often be found wearing Nike's Juvenile Dunk Low and Blazer mid-77 sneakers. She has also known for sporting Adidas kicks in addition to affordable slides and sandals by Franco Sarto, Birkenstock, and Steve Madden. The singer often pairs this with dresses, tops, and bottoms by affordable brands like H&M, Forever 21, and Zara, in addition to high-end labels like Dolce and Gabbana, Isabel Marant, and Versace. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.